Hello everyone, this is Tahmid, and in this video today I'm going to show you guys how to send unlimited message to anyone on Messenger, WhatsApp, or any other messaging tools using Python within like 2 or 3 lines of code. So let's see how to do it. To do it, in this process we are going to use the Vscode as the IDE. The IDE means the place where we write the code. At first we have to open a file or make a new file and then open the file using the Vscode. So after everything becomes ready, we have to open the terminal in the VS Code, and we need to download a Python package which is Pyautogui. So we will go to the Python terminal, and then there we have to write pip install Pyautogui. Now simply we have to write like 2 or 3 lines of code and we are ready to go. So let's see what should we write. Here we have to call the package we just installed. We should call the package by writing import Pyautogui, and the package will work for us. Here we will use a loop, while loop in the code. If we write while true, then the loop will run forever, and while loop is used to execute a block of code repeatedly until given boolean condition evaluated to false. As we want to the program to send unlimited message, so we will write the while true loop. Inside this bracket we will write the message we want to send. One thing is to be noted that you must keep the VS Code in the background when the function is going on. At first you have to press the run option in the VS Code. Then you have to go to the place where you want to send message and put the cursor in the message box and just press enter.